For generations, standard residential architecture has operated on a strict assumption: all living spaces must be built above ground, while the basement is relegated to a dark, damp utility zone reserved for water heaters and storage boxes. But when you look closely at how the earth behaves as a thermal mass, you realize that there are benefits to pushing a home down into the terrain, from achieving deep acoustic privacy and shelter from the elements to drastically lowering your energy bills by letting the surrounding earth act as natural insulation. To many people, the idea of having primary living spaces partially below ground sounds impossible or concerning. Images of humidity, dark rooms, and potential flooding come to mind. But earth-sheltered living has been successfully practiced for decades all across the world, from the massive super basements beneath standard London townhomes to the classic American split-level homes where the front door sits halfway between floors. How could we take the timeless logic of the split-level home and completely reimagine it for the modern era, creating a subterranean living environment that is completely flooded with natural light, fresh air, and lush greenery? I'm Tim Ung, and this is the design of the Split Level Courtyard House. Approaching this home from the street, the architecture is deliberately designed to blend seamlessly into urban and suburban neighborhoods. The front facade presents a clean single-story presence capped by a minimalist shed roof resting atop cast-in-place post-tension concrete walls. This construction method draws direct inspiration from high-end residential architecture in Japan, where specialized concrete mixes and precise formwork yield a buttery finish. My favorite detail on these walls is the rhythmic pattern of circular post-tension tie dots left exposed across the facade. These structural walls aren't just aesthetic, they're insulated cores designed to maintain stable interior temperatures year-round. As we make our way around the perimeter, you can see the structure steps down into the earth at the rear, hiding the primary living spaces below ground. Elevating our perspective into an aerial view, you can see the split-level footprint. The upper and lower shed roofs are entirely covered in high-efficiency solar panel arrays. Because the earth-sheltered design naturally reduces heating and cooling loads, these solar panels generate more electricity than the household consumes annually. The excess energy is routed to high-capacity storage batteries in the garage, with any surplus sold back into the local grid. In the backyard, stairs lead us down into a semi-private sunken patio outside the lower bedrooms. This is where the magic of the split-level design reveals itself. Deep window wells and a massive 600-square-foot central courtyard carve voids into the earth, flooding every single subterranean room with natural daylight, fresh breezes, and views of the living trees. Before we step inside, let's analyze how this 2,500 square foot home and its 600 square foot courtyard are organized. The spatial program is cleanly divided across two split levels. The upper level contains a private bedroom suite with an attached bathroom, a flexible guest bedroom that doubles as a quiet home office, and a shared bathroom. Heading down the short half-flight of stairs brings us to the lower level, the beating heart of the home. Here, you find the main living room, an intimate lounge nook, a utility room, an open-concept dining and kitchen zone, and a central courtyard that anchors every room. Descending into the lower level immediately removes any preconceptions of dark underground spaces. Every room is washed in soft, indirect natural light filtering down from the central courtyard and the sunken rear patio. The living room is anchored by a deep sectional sofa facing a custom storage unit and wall-mounted display. It's designed as an intimate sanctuary for family movie nights, quiet reading, or casual conversation. Because it sits at the intersection of the floor plan, everyone naturally passes through this space on their way to the courtyard, kitchen, or bedrooms. Around the corner sits the open dining area and kitchen. By slightly separating the culinary zone from the main lounge, preparing meals feels calm and unhurried. The dining space features high clerestory windows that pull in daylight while maintaining privacy from the exterior. The kitchen centers on a monolithic black quartz island with a waterfall edge and integrated seating for 4. Sliding glass doors open directly from the kitchen and dining room into the central courtyard. Imagine preparing dinner while a gentle cross breeze flows straight through the heart of your home, blurring the line between indoor living and the natural world outside. Now let's address the elephant in the room. How do we manage moisture and humidity in an earth-sheltered home? Proper design starts below the surface. The entire cast-in-place concrete foundation is wrapped in heavy-duty waterproof membranes to eliminate hydrostatic pressure. Surrounding the perimeter footings are traditional gravel-filled drain tiles that channel ground rainwater safely away from the structure. While advanced mechanical systems manage baseline climate and humidity control, the split-level courtyard architecture provides a natural superpower: passive cross-ventilation. By opening the opposing doors between the sunken rear patio and the central courtyard, air naturally flows through the subterranean levels, exhausting warm air vertically and keeping the home fresh and dry without relying exclusively on air conditioning. When it's time to rest, we head back upstairs to the private sleeping quarters. Surrounded by tranquil views of the street trees and the courtyard below, each bedroom has space for a king-size bed, built-in wardrobes, and quiet acoustic insulation. By rethinking how we push living spaces into the earth, we can create homes that blend seamlessly into our neighborhoods while offering privacy, thermal efficiency, and an intimate connection to nature. And that is the design of the split-level courtyard house. Let me know in the comments how you feel about earth-sheltered living, and don't forget to subscribe for more architecture concept walkthroughs. I'll see you in the next project.